Hello everyone and welcome back to Jazzy61. Today's video is all about tips and tricks on how I find disinfectant wipes. Hello everyone and welcome. Today's video was all about tips and tricks on how I find disinfectant wipes during this pandemic. Before I get into this video, I want to say hello. If you are new here, my name is Jazz. I do everything motherhood, lifestyle, and a little bit of beauty. I hope you will consider joining my family and subscribing before we start this video. And to my returning subscribers, hello guys, welcome back. I hope you guys find this video helpful and informative. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more videos like this from me, and I will make sure to do them for you guys. So all of these disinfectant wipes that you see behind me, I found in one day's time. Now these include 4 containers of Lysol disinfectant wipes, 3 containers of Clorox disinfectant wipes, and 3 containers of Great Value disinfectant wipes. I'm going to tell you guys how I locate them, where I locate them, and how you can locate some for yourself. Over the last few months during this pandemic, I know it's been very difficult to locate essential items that you normally have on a day-to-day basis, such as these disinfectant wipes, toilet paper, paper towels, things like that. I have been able to locate all of these things somewhat consistently, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do that. So before you go to any stores, start scouring the shelves, searching online, check this video out first. Tip number 1. Look online for your favorite stores or at your favorite stores and at your favorite retailers and see if they have them in stock in store. On all of these websites, it allows you to put in your zip code. Now, if you live in a big area like me, then there's multiple zip codes. Try them all. It will give you the stores within a certain radius of that zip code area and tell you if they have them in store and in stock. This will save you so much time from driving around, scouring the shelves just to see if you can find anything. Now, they may not be your preferred brand, they may not be exactly what you're looking for, but if they are disinfecting, they will get the job done. This is one of those things that they update consistently because they get new shipments in, new trucks in, but you have to get to the stores early as soon as you see them because, as you guys know, they are selling out fast. Tip number 2. Ask an employee. If you're already in the store and you see an associate, go ahead and ask them if they know anything, because normally they will know, and if they don't know, they can direct you to someone who does. Currently, most stores are only allowing people to get one of any item anyway, so usually if they have the products and you can get in early, they may get all the sanitizing things that you may need. They may not have your particular brand, as I said before, but sanitizing and disinfecting products will work regardless of what brand it is, as long as the concentration of the cleaning products or the concentration of the alcohol in it is appropriate. So if you can get in and meet an employee or talk to an employee or any of the associates at your favorite stores, they may be able to tell you exactly when the trucks are coming in, and you can get in quick, you can get in early and get what you need. If that doesn't work, here's tip 3. On all of the websites of these major retailers, there is a place on the side that says notify me once it's in stock. This will allow you to put your email in and they will send a direct link and email letting you know that your product has come back in stock. As I said, there is a direct link there. So you can click that link and it takes you directly to that product so you can buy it quickly. Now, this is sometime, and I'll tell you why. Because when products like these disinfectant wipes finally go on sale, they sell out quickly, or when they go back into stock, they sell out quickly. So sometimes they don't have enough time to send you an email before the product sells out again. So if you do get that email, make sure you go there as quickly as you can and purchase the product that you're trying to buy. Me, it's been these disinfectant wipes. As I said, it's sometimey, but it does work. And my 4th and final tip is checking your favorite websites often. Now, I know this can take up a little bit of time, but that is exactly how I found all 3 containers of these disinfectant wipes. Basically, there isn't any rhyme or reason to how they post or update when these items are in stock. So if you're constantly checking, sometimes it'll pop up early in the morning, sometimes it's in the middle of the day, sometimes it's late at night. It just kind of all depends on when they get the products in. So therefore, if you're checking the websites often, which I do it periodically throughout the day, all day long, which is how I found all 3 of these in one day. Somehow I just caught them. I would get online and say, hey, let me just check and see if it's there, and they were there. So I ordered them quickly, because if you do not order them quickly, they will sell out, and by the time you get to the end and say process your payment, it says out of stock. So this process of just checking periodically throughout the day, I know it's tedious, I know it's time consuming, but whenever you get a small break, just check your phone and see if it's there. Or if you're sitting down and you're watching a movie, just check your computer and see if it's there, because sometimes those products will be there. And if you need them, take the time out to find them, you guys, because this was well worth me taking those couple of minutes out of that day and finding them, because I found the first set, the Lysol ones, early in the morning, and I found the other 2 in the afternoon at the same time. So sometimes I update them together, sometimes it's sporadically throughout the day. Either way it goes, if you find what you need, that's great. By checking the websites frequently, you will run across products that you need, and sometimes products that work just as fine. So I know sometimes you put in the email for one thing, like these Clorox wipes, but if they don't have them, they may have the Great Value brand, or they may have Lysol, they may have smaller containers of it. Because on the websites, it doesn't just have, oh, put it in for everything Clorox. You have to literally go through and put it in for every individual item. So if there's a 1-pack, you got to put it in for the 1-pack. You got to put it in for the 2-pack. You got to put it in for the 3-pack. So I think it's easier sometimes to just check. Now, I have actually gone through and put my email in for everything. I'm not going to pretend like I have not. I have. But checking it sporadically actually helps a lot more, and you actually find things a lot more, because as I said, the email sometimes can't get to you. So if you check it and you find what you need, you may get the email after they have sold out, because they just now got the opportunity to send that email and they're already gone. So checking the website to me has been the most helpful, and it has yielded the best results so far. Now, depending on where you live, the other types of tips, or the other tips that I gave, actually yield different results in different areas. Since I live in a bigger area, more times than not, they don't have them as often in store, and when they do, they're gone within about 5 minutes of them putting them on the shelves. So to me, I have to actually find them online, especially since my family, we don't actually go in the stores. We do grocery pickups and things like that. So I tend to not actually go into any of the stores. So finding things online helps me a lot more right now during this pandemic, and not having to take my little one into places that I don't feel he's safe. So I would like to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was informative. I hope these tips and tricks help you find the things that you're looking for. If they do, please let me know in the comments down below. I'll be happy to hear it. So thank you guys again for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.